Okay guys, in this video, I'm going to continue to show you how to create the foam objects. In this one, we are going to be creating part number 6, orange. So double click on standard IPT and let's get started. Create a new sketch on the XY plane. From here, we're going to create two rectangles, a horizontal rectangle and a vertical rectangle directly on top of that horizontal rectangle. We're then going to use our constraints to help us create this part. Click on Coincident and lock this point in with the center point of our bottom rectangle. Right-click, OK. Now click on Dimension. Our overall width from left to right is 6 inches. Our overall height from top to bottom is 7.5 inches. This rectangle on the bottom is 1.5 inches tall. Once you have those three dimensions, go ahead and finish your sketch. Extrude this by 1.5 inches. Once you have this, rotate this so we're looking at the back face. Click on Sketch, create the same exact model on the back side. Click on Projection and project this entire profile. Click on Rectangle, click here, and attach it to the top of our object. Click on the same corner and connect it to our origin. Because we projected our geometry, we don't have to use any dimensions. Go ahead and finish your sketch. Click on Extrude and select both rectangles that we drew, and then select OK. Next, we need to add the hole. Click here, and let's create our sketch. Click on Project Geometry, and highlight this back profile. Then, click on Circle. Move your cursor down this line until you find the green dot. That is the center point of that line. This circle has a diameter of 3 inches. Once you have that, finish your sketch and let's extrude. Select the entire circle to extrude, flip the direction, and change distance A to through all. That will cut this entire part out through the entire object. Once you have this, go ahead and change the color to orange, and then save this as 6 orange. Now let's lay this out on a title block. Go to Base and place our front, our top, and our right side view. We can adjust our scale to be half and then readjust our views to fit nicely on our sheet. Once you have this, also put in our isometric and say OK. Let's adjust the size of the isometric down to 1/4 and then reposition it. Let's go ahead and add our dimensions. We need our overall width, our overall height, as well as our overall depth. Let's go ahead and also dimension the radius of this hole. Because this hole is appearing on two surfaces, it only gives us the radius. Let's change this radius to a diameter. Double-click on the number, click Hide Dimension Value, and then click on this diameter button and type in 3.00. Once you have that, Go ahead and click OK. That now tells Inventor that this hole has a diameter of 3 inches rather than a radius of 1.5. It is now your responsibility to add the missing dimensions as well as converting this into a PDF before you upload. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.